Coffee 101, The Basics. Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It's enjoyed by people of all ages and cultures, and there are endless ways to enjoy it. But what do you really know about coffee? Here are some basics about this beloved drink: its history, flavor profiles, health benefits and more. The history of coffee. Coffee has been around for centuries, and can be traced back to the 15th century in Eastern Africa. Some say it was first discovered in Ethiopia, while others claim it originated in Yemen. What we do know is that coffee was consumed as a beverage as early as the 15th century, and it quickly became popular all over the world. There are several theories about how coffee got its name. It has roots in many languages, including Dutch, Turkish, and Yemen. Coffee flavor profiles. Coffee flavor profiles can vary greatly, depending on the region where it's grown, the processing method and the brewing method. However, there are some general flavor profiles that you can expect to find in coffee. One of the most common flavors is chocolate, which is due to the presence of compounds called melanoidins. These molecules are created during the roasting process, and they give coffee a rich, chocolatey flavor. Another common flavor profile is nuttiness, which is caused by compounds called furans. These molecules are also created during roasting, and they add a nutty flavor to coffee. There are also floral flavors in coffee, which are due to the presence of terpenes. These molecules are not created during roasting, and they don't burn easily like the other flavors. They make their way into coffee via brewed oils. Health benefits of coffee. There's a lot of debate surrounding the health benefits of coffee, and it can be difficult to separate truth from fiction because there is so much conflicting information. But here are some of the confirmed health benefits of drinking coffee. Increases energy levels and alertness. Improves mental function. Boosts metabolism. Lowers risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, liver disease, heart disease and certain types of cancer. Helps fight depression. Different ways to enjoy coffee. There are endless ways to enjoy coffee, and it can be enjoyed any time of day. Here are some of the most popular ways to enjoy coffee. With milk and sugar, this is the most traditional way to drink coffee, and it's enjoyed by people all over the world. With cream and sugar, this is a slightly more upscale way to enjoy coffee, and it's perfect for a special occasion. Black, some people prefer to drink their coffee black, without any milk or sugar. This is a more intense flavor profile, and it takes some getting used to. Latte, a latte is made with espresso and milk, and it's one of the most popular coffee drinks in the world. Cappuccino, a cappuccino is similar to a latte, but it's made with more foam and less milk. Espresso, this is a very concentrated shot of coffee, and it's the basis for many other drinks, including lattes and cappuccinos. Affogato, an affogato is made with espresso and ice cream or gelato, which is then topped with whipped cream. Cold brew coffee is gaining in popularity, but it can be very different from hot brewed coffee. With cold brewed coffee, the grounds are steeped in cold water for several hours before it's served. Iced coffee is also gaining in popularity, and it's made with hot brewed coffee that's poured over ice. This makes a cold beverage that can be enjoyed any time of year. Tips for storing and brewing coffee. There are a few key things you should know when it comes to storing and brewing coffee. To keep your beans fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Use fresh water when you brew coffee because the minerals in it will absorb into the coffee. This gives it a richer flavor profile. Distilled water is also great for coffee brewing because it lacks those minerals. Always keep your coffee maker clean, and make sure to use filtered water to brew your coffee. You can also use a paper filter in place of the permanent one that comes with your machine. For an extra boost, add salt and butter to brewed coffee. The fat content will help you absorb the caffeine from the coffee, and the salt will add a necessary electrolyte to your body. Why do we like drinking coffee? There's something about coffee that makes us crave it, and we can't seem to get enough of it. But what is it about this drink that makes it so appealing? There are a few theories about why we like drinking coffee. Coffee is a stimulant, and it increases energy levels and alertness. This is why so many people drink coffee in the morning. It helps them start their day off right. Coffee also has an antidepressant effect, and it can help fight depression. This may be why so many people turn to coffee when they need a boost. Coffee is also a social drink, and it's often enjoyed with friends or coworkers. It's a great way to bond with the people in your life. Coffee also has a delicious flavor profile, and there are nearly endless ways to enjoy it. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy your morning cup, or if you want to learn something new about how your favorite beverage can benefit your life, we hope our overview has been helpful so far. We look forward to hearing from you with any questions or comments that you might have on coffee.